This is not a false alarm. The phone which I'm holding in my hand right now is gonna bring upside down in the Apple's market. Well, this is the iPhone 11 and I am using this phone as my primary driver from the past 4 days and I am damn impressed. So in today's video, I'm gonna review this latest launch of Apple. So with that being said, yo, what's up guys, Divyansh here, and now without any further ado, let's get started. So starting with the build quality, the forged glasses, the aluminium feels familiar but also feels super robust. And it comes with a 6.1-inch liquid retina IPS LCD display which comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection and an old iPhone type notch which we are seeing from the iPhone X series. In the back we also have a glass body and Apple claims that this is the toughest rear glass ever used in any smartphone. In the rear, we have the charging slot and the speakers, the volume rockers and the alert slider are placed in the left and the lock button is placed in the right side. And obviously there is no 3.5mm jack. It comes with the support of two SIMs in which one SIM will be registered as an eSIM and second SIM gets inside the phone. Now coming at this liquid retina display, it is something which really enhances your usage experience. The display resolution is something which lies between the Full HD and 2K display. With the support of True Tone, the colors on this phone look so mesmerizing and also the viewing angles are damn impressive. Also the max brightness of this phone is so powerful that it can easily fight with the sunlight, so you can use your phone easily outside. Now coming at the phone's hardware, then this Apple iPhone 11 is powered by the Apple A13 Bionic chipset, which is the latest chipset by Apple. And Apple claims that it is 20% faster and 40% power efficient than its predecessor A12 chipset. Also it comes with 4GB of RAM and it comes in 3 variants in the terms of storage: 64GB, 128GB and 256GB. The price of the 64GB is around 65,000 rupees, the price of 128GB variant is around 70,000 rupees and the 256GB variant costs around 80,000 rupees. Coming at the phone's camera, which is offering a lot and is upgraded a lot from its previous iPhones, it comes with the dual 12MP rear cameras. The ultra-wide camera comes with f2.4 aperture and 120° field of view. The wide lens comes with f1.8 aperture, it supports 2x optical zoom out and 5x digital zoom. The two new features which comes in the iPhone 11 are, first the advanced night mode and second the slow fees, which offers slow-mo video recording at 120 frames per second from using the front camera. The front camera is also a 12MP shooter with f2.2 aperture, and also you can record 4K videos at 60 frames per second from both the cameras. The camera is well optimized and improved a lot if we will compare it with the XR's camera. These are the few shots I have clicked using this phone. Now coming at the phone's powerhouse, the battery of the iPhone 11 is also a plus point. It comes with a 3190mAh battery and Apple claims that iPhone 11's battery will last 1 hour more than the XR's battery. And in my personal use, it easily lasts whole day with heavy usage like I do. It comes with a normal charger in the box, but you can get a fast charger for it, and I charge it with my iPad 10W charger and charging speed is up to the mark. But still I feel that for this price range, Apple should offer the fast charger within the box. The speakers of this phone are pretty good with the loud volume and medium bass, but still on the full volume, if you will listen to metallic or heavy music, you can see a little faded noise which honestly disappoints sometimes. Coming at the phone's security, it doesn't have any fingerprint sensor, but the Face ID works absolutely fine. The unlocking speed is impressive and is slightly faster than the XR's unlocking speed. Also the Face ID unlocks the phone even in complete darkroom, as the front camera comes with an infrared camera. Also your Face ID can be used for password and for payments. Now coming at the connectivity, the dual SIM support is very good and you can set default data and default calling SIM too from any of the two SIMs. It comes with the Wi-Fi 6 which gives you a faster connection speed if your router supports Wi-Fi 6, and the Bluetooth version here is 5.0. The operating system you can see on the iPhone 11 is the iOS 13, which is the latest version of iOS, and a lot of new features are added in iOS 13. Now if you will talk about the durability of this phone, then it is damn good. As it is dust and water resistance, the water resistivity is for the depth of 2 meters up to 30 minutes, which is IP68 certified. Apart from that, the phone is sturdy and the black glass is toughest glass ever used in any smartphone, and the front display comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection. So overall, it is a beast device and it is worth its price. So if you need a phone which comes with a good processing speed, which has an insane performance with good camera, battery and display, and if your budget matches its price, then you should go for iPhone 11. Gaming on iPhone 11 is damn good. You can easily run games like PUBG and Call of Duty on full resolution without any hesitation. Also, I am coming with a few more videos on iPhone 11, so stay tuned for that. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video a lot, and guys, make sure to do follow me on Instagram @techparadise_ for future updates. And if you have any question in your mind regarding this video, then please put a comment below in the comment section, and also give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on tech. I am Divyan Sharan and I am signing off.
Knowledge of provenance.